Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel with another tutorial. So today we'll learn how to create a Coverflow product slider, something like this with our WooCommerce product. So let's start it. Before starting, if you are new to our YouTube channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel. If you have already subscribed, please thumbs up and press the bell icon for latest and more content. So let's start it. We can create a slider, something like this. So go back here, reload this. So currently we have a static site which we have created by using Astra theme. So we need a one plugin. So go to add plugins, upload plugin. So plugin link should be in a video description. You can download from there. Just install it. This is totally free plugin. No need anything premium. So you can use this plugin by Elementor, and you can also use our Gutenberg editor as well. So you can see the plugin is here. So this is using code short codes. Go to settings. You can see the slider instructions. Just click it. So you can see this some basic details of plugin. So you can follow those details. So for example, I need a latest product, featured product, specific category product, specific tag product, or only sale products. So need to copy that slider. Here is the example as well. For example, I just copy this one, Control C, and go back to here, add it with Elementor. Just press the add with Elementor. So meanwhile is opening the Elementor. So we just replace this static images or static product grid to our Coverflow slider. So go back to here. So click here. This is also shortcode. Just remove that. Or other option is you can use go to here, shortcode. You just drag your shortcode and replace here where you want to show your slider. So because I have already, just what I do, I just simple paste our Coverflow slider and just publish it and preview. So okay, our Coverflow slider is here. So you can, this is a clickable, so you just click it. Product is opening. So here's the product, single product page. So say fully dynamic. You can change as you want to category base. If you want to set the limits, order by, sale, tags, you can add a multiple categories by the separating of comma. You can add a multiple tags by separating of comma. Here's the basic attributes which is show the products, which based on the show the products you can follow as well. So you can also, if you want to add some custom styling, you can as well. If you want to add a CSS, custom CSS, you just inspect that item and you can change the font size, colors, and image width. And if you want to anything you want to change, so you can change if you want to do according to your theme or according to requirement. But you can create a basic product Coverflow dynamic slider by using this plugin. So that's all. If you like our video, please thumbs up, and if you are new on our YouTube channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel and for latest and more content. Thank you.